Hey guys, what's going on? So I thought of a video I could do for you guys this week just to get something out there, but got these pod lights right here. One of them's got a little condensation in it, but they're decently bright. So fiance has been saying she needs more light. So I've had these on there for a while. We're gonna fix it to where she's got more light. So these are gonna be like fog lights for her. She's got actual fog lights, but they're not very bright. These will give her a little extra boost. I'll eventually probably get some different ones, maybe, and mount inside here. I was gonna get some flush ones and mount here and here, but there's a bunch of foam and metal things in the way, and yeah. So we're just gonna basically hook these two wires together. I'm gonna run them down the side here, hook it to this, splice into this, and then we're gonna splice it into the fog light wire. So when she flips her fog lights on, these will come on. Don't have to worry about any switches, all that good stuff. I've done that with my fog lights on my truck too. So, all right, let's get to it. All right, well, I got her all wired up. I'm gonna zip tie it up here. I just kind of made some tape connections there. Got the really good tape. I have no idea what that thing is. Sensor, there's probably one there too. No, airbag sensors. That's what those things are, airbag sensors. So if you take a hammer and hit those things, boom, the airbag goes off. That's when you get head-on collision. They smash or something. Probably trigger something in this little thing here, which I'm probably shouldn't be touching. Touch it, but yeah, anyway. They're pretty bright. So I'm gonna get these zip tied down and I'll show you what they look like. Alright, let's see how this thing looks. And I got a couple errands to run. Hello. Well, there you have it. I don't know how good those, I got them tipped down. Pretty bright too. So yeah, I'll have to adjust them probably tonight a little bit. We'll see. Maybe with them running when we stop getting so much water. I'll probably get some better ones and put up here. I don't know, we'll see. Once I get actual LED headlights in here, that'll help a lot too. So, but we're getting there, folks. I'll kind of get you a little, this one here, a lot brighter. And of course we got the fog lights, so that helps too. Just some more light to help my fiance see. So, all right, well, we'll see you tonight. All right, just like that, it's Doc. And I got my finger in the camera. And going. There we go. That's much better lighting. Might have to take it out and just down the street for a minute, just to see how it kind of does, but definitely more freaking lighting. A lot more freaking lighting. Yeah, let's go try it down the road. Let's go see what it does. All right, well, I'm gonna have to raise them up just a little bit because they are hitting kind of low. Let me get out and show you all here what I mean. But they're facing down just a little bit. I need to raise them up. I think just a few little Allen nuts on the back there need to be up about. I don't need to go up too much. They might actually be okay right about there. Because what I want to do eventually, I'm going to get some their spot flood combos and put up here. It's got more LEDs in them. Oh yeah. That might need to kind of be bent there just a skosh. Not bad, definitely illuminates more than what she had. I like them. I think they're pretty kick butt. Let's see here, kind of move them. Yeah, just kind of turn them out just skosh. There we go. Anyway, I like them. I think they look good. I'm getting back in the car though, it's cold. This is my spot where I try everything out. a little park area, but there's no pole light. There's a pole light on a tornado siren back there, but unfortunately it don't work. So yeah, definitely a lot more when you turn the brights on. She's gonna get LEDs when you turn the brights on or off. You can see that much more light. The next tornado sign's actually right there in front of us. That pole right there. There's actually a spotlight up there, but it's not. Which way is the siren facing? This way. Oh. But anyway, yeah, looks pretty good. Anyway, that's those. I'll probably get some spod flood combos like the ones I got on my truck and put on there. I think this will put out a lot more light, but that'll be good enough to give her some more light till I can get the other ones. So anyway, I'm heading back upstairs. Thank y'all for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. Hit that bell notification if you haven't done so, and join the Nathan343 family. Nathan, her Facebook.com/Nathan343. See you later, guys.